Hi there, my name is Matthew Barberchak, and I'm a shop teacher. I also teach Spanish and I teach CAD. This is the first video I'm doing like this, and it's an unboxing video where I'm going to unbox this time timer, 12-inch time timer. Now, I've never seen this product before. It's almost exactly what it sounds like, and it's relatively simple. Basically, this is a 60-minute version. Sorry about the audio if that noise is bugging you. And you set it, and it counts down towards 0. Let me show you. I'll show you with an actual example. Man, this is not a good image. All right, this is their small 120-minute version. Let's say I want to set it for 10 minutes. I have a nice slice of the pie to reference. 10 minutes there. Now, I just did that so that as I'm unboxing this, you know what I'm actually unboxing. This one is a little different. So, colorful packaging. Everything seems hanky-dory to me. This is the large timer, which I have a very large shop space, so this is something I can appreciate. You can see it from a distance. Some instructions, which tells you that you just need a couple AA batteries and you're good to go. So this one, I don't need a screwdriver or anything. And it actually looks like just one AA battery to me, which I don't have on hand right now. And some feet so that it can be freestanding. Looks like it's got a keyhole hanger so that I could hang it on the wall, which would be appropriate for my application. And if this speaker works like the other ones do, which I'll show you, then you can turn it on and off, and it doesn't beep for very loud. In fact, you heard the other one beeping. So they make different models of these. They've got a 120-minute version. That's the one I showed you. There's a 60-minute version, which is the big one, but they also make it in this size. And then they make other intervals as well. So you might be wondering, why not just use an app for this? And why do I even need this type of timer anyways? All right, well, I will say I thought the exact same things, and I wasn't sure why I would need this type of timer. Why not use a kitchen timer? Let's answer that question first. Well, this visual slice of the pie does a lot more for you than you realize psychologically. In fact, if you think about it, you see people using this technique to kind of manipulate you to keep you engaged all the time. Look at your Instagram videos. A lot of leading Instagrammers will put a red bar across the bottom. The reason they do that is because when you're looking at that red bar moving across the screen, you know that you've only got so much left to watch the whole thing. It'll keep you engaged. Same kind of thing when I was in high school and I took weightlifting class, believe it or not. And my partner said count from 10 down. And I know a kitchen timer does that as well, but you just don't get that nice visual slice of the pie. Now, as far as the app goes, that was my second question. Why not use an app for this? The reason I have found that this works better than an app is I go on my app, or on my phone, on my computer. I need to find something in the face of teachers. How many times do you do that and not actually end up on that Facebook group of teachers in the first 30 seconds? Hardly ever. You get distracted, you fall down a rabbit hole. So something like setting a timer even will put you down a rabbit hole. Now let's talk about classroom applications. All right. Just like the status bar on Instagram to keep you engaged, we're dealing with an audience that needs more and more stimulation, or has tougher and tougher time with attention spans. This helps with that. Okay, this company does a lot of work with teachers and have done a lot of their research on teachers using these types of products. Now, it's got applications in both the teaching world and the business world. I haven't personally used it in the classroom yet. I have used it personally for my own productivity. I will say that it is a handy reminder. I don't use it every single time I come into work. I haven't built the habit yet. I can see it being a habit I build, but I am looking forward to using something like this with my students. And the reason being is I can use it to keep instruction simple. You have to keep working until the slice of the pie is gone. So the class that I run the most problems with is a CAD class, which incorporates computers, and it's very easy for students to log off, 10 minutes early, 15 minutes early, and the rationale is always, well, we've only got so much time left. Well, take the quantitative factor out of the equation. Whether it's 10 minutes or 5 minutes, there's still a slice of purple left. And as long as that slice of purple is there, you can't use that rationalization. It makes the instruction simpler. Instead of saying, all right, we're going to log out at 8:52 because class ends at 8:54 or whatever it is, all right, we're going to log out when the timer goes off. When the timer does go off, you do have the option of turning the sound on or off, and it's not a very obnoxious noise. Anyways, that's my review so far of the time timer, the unboxing of the large product. Check them out. I think they've got something to offer you.